To integrate Nova with Axiom Pro, first create an Axiom Pro account. Once you have an account, open a new tab and navigate to click.trade on nova.io, where you will download the Chrome extension. After clicking Download for Chrome, you will be directed to the Chrome Web Store, where you need to click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension again. After the extension is added, you can close the tab and click Connect Telegram, which will open a website and put you on the Nova waitlist. The waitlist can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, but there is an option to skip it. After completing the waitlist process, you can start the bot, which will open your Telegram account. If you have the app, you can use it, or you can opt for the web version. Once you've opened Telegram, click Launch Nova and confirm the connection. You will then be connected to Nova, and you can access the menu by clicking the menu button. In the settings, ensure that the Use Panel Settings button is green, and if it's red, click on the circle to turn it green. Next, go to your Axiom account and select a random coin. Before doing this, you may want to pin the Nova extension to the top right corner of your browser for easier access. Click on the extension and make sure it's enabled. If it's disabled, click the Turn On button. This will refresh your website, and you can select your presets if needed. Then, choose a coin, and you should see the Nova Click extension, which is the trading panel. If you don't see it, click on the extension and click Enable Nova Panel, and you should then see it on your screen, where you can place it anywhere you want.